Hey guys, Susie here. Thanks so much for tuning in today. Hope y'all are doing well. I've been wearing my glasses a lot lately. I don't know, I find that I really see a lot better in them, and I like to wear my glasses, but I find that for some reason every time I'm trying to film, the light and everything's always reflecting in my glasses. So any of you guys who wear glasses also, if you have any tips on like how to quit having this glare situation, leave me some comments down below about that. But anywho, today I am sharing with you guys a haul from Shop Miss A. I just got this in the mail today. I'm really excited. I love Shop Miss A. This is my second time purchasing from the site, and I really like it because there's so many good makeup deals on there. You can literally get products for $1 each. Really good company, lots of selection on there. There's a lot of K-beauty items on there as well. K-beauty being Korean beauty items. They just have really good stuff on there, and it's inexpensive, good quality stuff. And I really like a lot of their eyeshadows. I have used them in the past and I bought some the last time, and I'm still using them to this day. I love them. So anyway, I want to show you guys what I picked up in my haul, and I will leave a link to Shop Miss A down below. It's a really awesome site. I do think a lot of you guys would love it, especially if you like to buy affordable makeup and beauty products. You would love it for sure. So they package it up really nicely when they send it to you. It is all bubble wrapped and everything. Really nice. Here's my little invoice here. So that is really nice. And yeah, I really like that. Let's go ahead and open up this bubble wrap. And I brought me some scissors because I remember the last time I really had an issue with trying to get all this open. It's like I was having a really hard time with it. So I went ahead and brought my scissors this time. So yeah, I'm gonna get everything out and show you guys what I picked up in this haul. Very excited about it. Alright, so I got everything out of there. And there was a couple little things. I think these are some eyeshadows that were also wrapped up. So I'm gonna go ahead and take those out real quick so that I can show them to you. Get them all, but I love the way they wrap everything with such care, and just it's all in there really nicely. And I'm gonna go through my little list also while I'm doing this and make sure I have everything. So the first thing I got in this haul is from the AOA Studio, and I actually bought a lot of things from AOA Studio because it's actually one of my favorite lines on the website. I really like their products. I really like them. They're always really good quality products, and I really like buying from that line. And everything, just about most things, I wouldn't say everything, but most things in that line is $1 each, or $3, or at the most like $5. So very affordable. So the first thing I got is this AOA Studio Perfect Setting Powder. And this is 0.7 grams is how big it is. This is in the shade Soft Light. And everything on Shop Miss A is cruelty-free as well, which is really nice. So that's what it looks like there. Not a huge container, but definitely well worth it. And I believe this was $1 on the website. And then inside it just has the little holes there. I would have to peel this little sticker off, but let me just peel it a little bit and I'll tell you guys if it has a scent or anything, because sometimes when you get cheaper makeup products, they have like a really off-putting scent or something. I don't think I've ever gotten anything on Shop Miss A that did, but no, really not much of a scent at all. Feels very soft, very powdery, but kind of creamy as well a little bit. So I'm really excited about using that. I've definitely been needing a good setting powder. I did read reviews that this does have a little bit of glitter in it, like a slight amount of shimmer. So I shouldn't say glitter, but like a shimmeriness to it. So just before you get it, just so you know that it is slightly shimmery, but I think this will be really good for like setting the under eye area. Also, I got 2 facial masks. I have a lot of facial masks, but these are $1 each there, and I really, really like getting the Korean Beauty facial masks. So the first one I got is from the brand Beauty Treats, and this is their strawberry facial mask, which sounds amazing. Yeah, just sounds amazing. So this contains vitamin C, E, and strawberry extract. Gently refreshes and hydrates skin, and it's for all skin types. And then I also got this one, and this is the multivitamin face mask. This is definitely a Korean, because I cannot read half of what this says. Just says it's for nourishing, shining, and toning up. So it's a mask pack, multivitamin mask pack. Really nice. I got 2 of those. I got 3 of these little eyeshadows from the AOA Studio line. This is the Wonder Baked eyeshadows. The first one is in the shade Gravel. That's what they look like. These are 0.3 grams each. And that is what that looks like. Really nice. Kind of looks like a bit of like a lavender silver kind of shade. Try to do a little swatch here. Yeah, I mean, it's kind of sheer. It's a little bit sheer, but it's definitely like a really pretty sheer kind of lavender kind of silver shade. So that's really pretty. I do like that. And then I also got this one, and this one is in the shade Gatsby, which is a blue shade. Really pretty. Like that as well. And that's what that looks like. Looks really nice. Let's do another swatch. This one is very much more pigmented than the other shade. So that's what that looks like. That looks really pretty as well. Definitely getting a lot of use out of that. I love my blue eyeshadows. And then the last one I got is in the shade Regal, and this is a really pretty purple shade. And I love me some purple eyeshadow. It also has like kind of hints of pink in there as well. So I'll go ahead and do a swatch of that one for you. This one also really nicely pigmented. That's what that looks like. And I didn't get a whole lot on there, but you get the point. So it's almost like a pink purple shade, but it's very pretty. So definitely going to be getting some use out of that. I also got one of these AOA Studio Wonder Blenders. There was really good reviews on this on the website. It's latex-free, high-definition cosmetic sponge designed for easy applying and blending. And I've definitely been needing a new beauty blender type thing. This one looks really soft. It looks like it's going to expand really well. You can tell it's very well textured. Kind of, yeah, really soft and sponge-like, which is really nice. I think this is going to work a lot better than the Real Techniques blenders that I got lately, because they've changed the formula, and this texture kind of reminds me of the old formula. So I'm very excited about using that. And then I also got this AOA Studio blackhead remover tool. Now, I've seen people using these before, and supposedly they do work pretty well. It's basically for like extracting any pimples you have or any blackheads. So I want to try this out. I want to see if it really works. I think I might even try it out tonight. I'm not really sure which side works for the blackheads. It just says gently push the extractor down on the blemish and move it across to release the contents. Only use on dry skin. Always be gentle. Disinfect after each use. So I'm gonna give it a go. I'm gonna see if this works, removing blackheads. So if you guys want to know, I will let you know in a future video. And I also picked up this brow comb and scissors. This is also from the AOA Studio. This is designed to shape, contour, and comb your brows. Easy hold grip. Basically, you use the comb to shape the brow and an upward motion to trim the hairs. So I believe you just kind of like I don't know, you like brush your brows with the comb part and then you kind of clip. And I have like some really long eyebrow hairs, especially on this inner part here, and it ends up making them look bushier than they really are. So I went ahead and picked this up. I'm gonna give it a go and see if that trims them for me. I also picked up this AOA Studio Perfect BB Cream Skin Perfecting Color Correcting BB Cream in the shade Light. It says gives face a luminous glow to eliminate dull skin for a brighter appearance. And that's what that looks like. And this shade looks about right. I was really kind of nervous about picking the shade. I wasn't sure if I was going to pick a shade that would be right for me, but it looks like it could be right. So I'm going to try a little bit on my other hand here. And it looks like it's going to be perfect, so that's good. Plus I just want to see kind of how the consistency is. Okay, so it definitely gives you a bit of coverage there. It feels really good. It feels really soft and refreshing. It does have a slight yellowish tint to it, which will work fine for me. But if you are definitely more of a pink tone skin person, this might be a little too yellow for you, but this will be just fine for me because I'm a little bit of a yellow tone. But feels really good, feels very nice and moisturized, does not feel tacky or sticky or anything. Feels really good. And it doesn't have any strong scent, just kind of smells like a facial lotion or something. So I am very excited to try this out. Hopefully it has good coverage. If you guys do want to see a review, just leave me some comments and I'll try to go ahead and do that. I was also really excited to pick this up. This is the, I think it's from the A2O line, which is by AOA Beauty. And this is their Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. Now, if you guys see this and you are a makeup fanatic, you are going to know what they're trying to dupe here. This is in the shade Acid, and this is what it looks like. Now, what does this remind you guys of? Those Glossier liquid eyeshadows, and I forget what the name of them are, but I know I've seen them like on Instagram. I know a lot of people who've been using them and stuff, and I really do like this packaging, but it definitely reminds me quite a lot of it. So it has the glow there and it says liquid eyeshadow, and this is the color. They did have other shades as well, but I really liked this shade. I wanted to try it out, so let's kind of give a little swatch right there. Really nice, very coppery, really pretty. I like that. Look how pretty, ooh, and metallic that is. And it went on so smooth. I just really hope that it doesn't crease. If it doesn't crease, I will definitely buy more of these, but they feel really nice. It does feel like, well, they probably do need to dry, but they do seem to smear just a tad bit when you rub on them. So maybe I just didn't give it long enough to dry, but for the most part, it definitely looks pretty good. So pretty excited about that. That was in the shade Acid. And then the last thing I got is this Ova Brushes 5-piece set from AO Studio. And this, I believe, was like $6. These are ultra soft makeup brushes. It can be used for applying foundation, blush, bronzer, highlighter, eyeshadow, and lipstick. You just pick up a small amount and gently glide the brush on your skin. Always clean your brushes after use. So let's open these up and just feel how soft they are. I thought this is a really good deal for $6. Even in my local Marshalls, I've seen these, but they were quite expensive, so I'm really excited. So I get this little bitty one. This one would be probably good for, like, I don't know, something with maybe eyeshadow or something. The handles feel really nice and sturdy, so that's good. There's one like this, which I don't know what I would really want to use it for. I don't know, maybe some kind of like highlighting or something with that. There's another one that's like this size. This one would probably be good for like concealer. There's a next size up, and these are really soft, by the way. These feel amazingly soft, really soft. And these, I believe, were from the Pawpaw charity line on there, and they donate money from each of the sales towards, I think it's like an animal shelter, or towards, like, it goes for animals. So that's really nice because I'm really happy about that. I love my little dogs and cats and all that, but these feel so good. I could just like run my hand across this all day long. They feel very like dense but soft at the same time. So this one would probably be good for, like, I don't know, a small area of your face, maybe some blush or something. And then the last one is this big brush. The big oval brush also feels really soft, and this one would probably be the one I would use for foundation. Love that. So that is definitely a deal for $6. Awesome deal. I love how I got all these brushes, and I am very excited to try this out. So if you guys want to see a review and see how these work, just let me know and I'll do a review of these for you. But I'm really excited. So I've got a lot of really good stuff, and it's everything I picked up. It wasn't like a huge haul. I think I spent like $14 or something like that. But I mean, this is a lot of stuff for $14, and I'm really excited. Love everything I got. I hope you guys check out Shop Miss A, and I hope you'll pick up some of these items for yourself. I'm really excited to try them out. By the way, this BB cream has dried so nicely, and it feels so soft right there. Yes. Love it. Okay, so definitely check out the website. Let me know what you guys think, or do you like shopping Shop Miss A? If you ever bought anything on there, leave me some comments down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. I hope you'll stay tuned, and thank you guys for watching. Bye, guys.